Hi, welcome back to Air Engine Research once again. Today I'm going to make a short video on what I've been working on and bring you up to date on the compressed air eccentric drive air motor. I'm afraid I don't do very well explaining things when I make these videos, so the best thing I can do is try to take pictures and put the picture together to make the video more understandable. The first pictures that you're going to see are where I did the drafting design, trying to make the parts and pieces that I would have to have and work out the dimensions and stuff, trying to make sure that things fit together and worked out properly. And then the videos that come later, that's when I've went ahead and finished the drafting, started working on the actual pieces and parts and putting them together. When I find that they look like they're finished, then I go ahead and make a prototype and try to assemble the pieces to find out where there's problems and fix those things. So for now, let's just go ahead and watch the pictures and the videos. Well, this is what the drive eccentric will look like and what the valve eccentric when they're finished. This is the drive with the cylinder. This is the valve, and that's the valve body. But I see a problem already. Once the units are assembled and the valve drive is put where it belongs, these are going to be hitting the side of the valve or kinking the airline if there's enough room maybe to get it in there, but that's going to have to be changed. I won't have a problem with modifying it because there's nothing that really affects up here. The shaft in here doesn't go that far. So all I'm going to have to do is take it and turn it sideways and drill a hole through the side. And then I'm going to have to modify this down in here to allow this because it's too wide to go in between. I'll have to make probably an attachment like I got here where it have a bolt sticking out that the thing can attach and screw into the valve shaft. Something I'll have to change and work on, but nothing can stop me. I'm going to do it. and get finished. Okay, now that you've seen where I'm at, that's going to be it for today probably. I'll be working on the valves, trying to make them more airtight, and I'm not sure what else will have to be done after that, but I'm sure there's going to be more modifications as I find things maybe better to do or where I run into a problem. Well, I've got a couple of the cylinders hooked up now, and been working on trying to get timing done on it to where it might run. I've never had it run yet, but I've been working on the timing, and I'm thinking maybe supposed to run in this direction anyway. Why is Boy, that one is leaking pretty bad. But once again, thanks for checking in, and for you new viewers rather, and for you new viewers, if you would subscribe, you'll be notified anytime I have a new video or updates on things that I'm working on. And once again, you long-term viewers, I appreciate your hanging in, and I'll be putting out another video pretty shortly, I guess, when I get some more of these things completed. So till then, so long for now.